I'm going to show you guys how to get into maintenance mode on a Brother printer and how to do a power purge. So the first thing you want to do is turn the power off to the machine. Now you want to hold down the menu button here and then turn the power back on at the wall, and this will bring up maintenance mode. Cool. Okay, so from here, for a power purge, what you want to do is type in 7.6, which says cleaning all on the screen, and then you put in number 3. Number 3 is power purge. Now, in maintenance mode, there is so much stuff you can program or fix on Brother printers, so I'll try and link the manual down in the description where you can find the manual online. When you do power purge, just hit start and it will start doing it. Turning that off because I don't want to waste ink. It does use a fair bit of ink, so just use it sparingly. Sometimes you do have to do 2 or 3 power purges and 1 or 2 normal cleans if you run the ink lines absolutely dry, so try not do that. So the first page it prints out quite faint, just stop printing there and go get a new cartridge. Cheers for watching, guys.